Hello, my name is Hernan Rodriguez, and this is the video for the Enhancement 6 of the Class CIT 336. Okay, so for this enhancement, this objectives, we are going to meet the objectives, we're going to log in with an account. I'm going to put the password. Log in. This is a account with a number 1 level. So when you go inside and you see here, we get the name, last name, and the email and the user level, and this is all coming from the session that we stored all this information in the session. So if I go back, and also we can see that the My Account link changed, and now we have the logout link. And if I go back, for example, to the home page, here we can see that the logout is still there. So if I log out, I get the My Account again, and if I click here and use the admin account, and this is the password. I put this in, log in, and since this admin is level 3, we have this link displayed. So if we click here, it takes us to the new category, the product management. This link right here. If we go to category, we can add a category, and the same thing with products. So if I go back, and this is the admin page. If we validate the HTML, we see that it's validated. Also, if I log out and I'm not logged in, and I go to the products page, it redirects me home to the home page. So that, I think, was all the tasks that we had to show in the video. So I think it's okay. Thanks for watching.